The desert, notorious for being one of the harshest environments on Earth, poses immense challenges for life to thrive. The Sahara Desert, for instance, experiences extreme temperatures, averaging 30 degrees Celsius or 86 degrees Fahrenheit during the day, and dropping to -4 degrees Celsius or 25 degrees Fahrenheit at night. With an average annual rainfall of only 3 inches, water scarcity is a constant struggle. Surviving in such a harsh climate is a daunting task, especially without a consistent source of water. Desert nomads would often embark on grueling journeys, sometimes spanning days, in search of water. However, the key to their survival lies in the existence of oases. So what exactly is an oasis, and how does it form? Let's refine it. An oasis is a haven of fertility amidst the dry and arid desert, sustained by a source of fresh water. Most oases are not fed by surface water such as rivers or streams, but instead, they rely on aquifers, a layer of porous rock beneath the ground that contains groundwater. Due to the scarcity of rainfall in the desert, the water table is located deeper in the earth compared to other regions. As a result, oases tend to form in depressions or areas of low elevation. Aquifers supply these oases with water, and in some cases, natural springs bring the water to the surface. In other instances, people dig wells to access the groundwater. Oases provide a lifeline for people, plants, and animals in the desert. They offer a precious source of water, shelter from the elements, and shade from the scorching sun. For centuries, these oases have served as vital pit stops along trade routes, allowing merchants and traders to replenish their supplies of food and water. The importance of an oasis in the desert is not lost on those who rely on it for survival. Communities living near oases take special care to protect these water sources. They often plant resilient trees like palm trees and other vegetation around the oasis, not only to provide shade but also to shield it from harsh desert winds and sand. These plants also help preserve the underground water, allowing the oasis to thrive. One remarkable example is the Al-Asa Oasis in southeastern Saudi Arabia, the largest oasis in the world. Covering over 30,000 acres and boasting 280 springs, the Al-Asa Oasis sustains vibrant gardens, canals, and a drainage lake. With 2.5 million date palms and a population of 1.3 million residents, it has been a crucial farming region for thousands of years, producing dates, rice, corn, sheep, cattle, and eggs. Oases play a vital role in our planet's ecosystem. Without them, travel, trade, and life in the desert would be nearly impossible. These precious sanctuaries serve as reminders of nature's resilience and the adaptability of life in the face of adversity.